Dear students, let's see this question which is given in Advanced 2022, JEE Advanced 2022. In this question, in the circuit 1 and 2 shown in the figure, R1 1 ohm, R2 2, R3 3 ohms. So here 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohms is given. And next what is given? P1 and P2 are the powers dissipation in the circuit. 1 and 2 when the switches S1, S2 are in open condition. That means here two switches are given here, and what he is saying, when two switches are in open condition, P1, P2 are the powers. And after that, what he is saying here, Q1 and Q2 are the power dissipation in circuit 1 and 2 when the switches are in closed condition. That means in the open condition, P1, P2 are the powers, and closed condition, Q1, Q2 are the powers. And he is asking that which of the following statements is true. Here four options are there, so we will try to understand one by one. And here is given that R1, R2, R3, R1 by 2, so I will substitute the values directly. R1 is how much? 1 ohm. I will write here, it is 1 ohm. R2, 2 ohms, 2 ohms. R3 is 3 ohms. R3 is 3 ohms. And here it is R1 by 2. This one is R1 by 2. So what is R1? 1. So here it is 1 by 2. And in this circuit here, R1 is given here. R1 is 1 ohm. And R2 is given here. R2 is 2 ohm. And here it is R3 which is 3 ohm. And the last one, it is given as 2R3. It is 2R3. So it is 2R3 means how much it is? It is 6 ohms. Clear? And the first option what he is saying is, when the voltage source of 6 volt is connected across A and B, first option A is saying that when a voltage source of 6 volt is connected across A and B, in both circuits, P1 is less than P2. Now we have to check it. So here what is given here, across A and B, 6 volt supply is given, and this condition is saying that P1 less than P2. We have to check whether P1 is less than P2 or P1 is greater than P2. We have to check whether the statement is correct or wrong. Let's see how to solve. See, here is saying that we know P1, P2 are the powers when S1 and S2 is in open condition. Q1, Q2 are the powers when S1 and S2 is in closed condition. So here it is when switches are in closed condition, right? So here P1, P2 they are asking. So these two are in open condition. If it is open condition, so current will flow here. These 2, 3, 1 by 2. These two are in series. With this is in parallel. With this one is in series. Try to understand again. These two are in series. With this one is in parallel. With the whole thing, this one is in series. And we will find that in circuit 1. We will see these two are in series. In series formula, R1 plus R2. So R1 plus R2 means here it is 5, and this 5 and this 1 by 2 is in parallel. So we know 1 by R is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So I will write here this. So 1 by R can be written as you will write here 1 plus 10 by 5, which is equal to 11 by 5. So R is equal to 5 by 11. R is equal to 5 by 11. If R is equal to 5 by 11, with this one already I told you, this one is in series. So total resistance R total can be written as 1 plus 5 by 11, which can be written as 11 also 11 plus 5 16 by 11 ohm is the total resistance. 11 ohm is the total resistance. 11 ohm is the total resistance. And once if you understand Now here, if you modify the circuit, here it is 16 by 11 ohm is there, and how much potential is saying here? 6 volt potential. So 6 volt potential is applied across this resistance. And in order to calculate the power, let the power is P1. So P1 can be written as P is equal to V square by R formula. P is equal to V square by R. So you will write P is equal to V square. Here it is 6. So 6 square by R is equal to 16 by 11. If you write here, P1 can be written as here 36 into 11 by 16. So P1 we got. How much it is? 36 into 11 by 16. So I will erase this one. I will note down the value of P1. See, in circuit 1, P1 how much we got? 36 into 11 by 16. Now we will solve for circuit 2. In circuit 2, we know it is in open condition. If it is in open condition, current will not flow here. So these three resistors are in parallel. So apply the formula. 1 by R is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. We can write. We know how to do LCM, right? And I will take 6 is LCM, and you will get 6 plus 3 plus 2, 11 by 6. 11 by 6. So R total can be written as 11 by 6 is the answer. 11 by 6 R total. So again, if you got R total as 11 by 6, then circuit 2 modified as here it is 11 by 6, and potential you are applying 6 volt. Potential you are applying 6 volt. Then we will see how much it is. Power P2 can be written as V square by R. Power P2 is equal to V square by R. So V square is given as 6. So 6 square by R is equal to 11 by 6. So P2 can be written as we can write directly 36 into 6 by 11. 36 into 6 by 11. Now I will write here. See, here we got P1 is equal to 36 into 11 by 16, and P2 we got 36 into 6 by 11. So from this we can clearly understand that P1 is, hence we will write P1 is less than P2. That means P1 is less than P2, which means option 1 is correct. So first option is correct. I will write here again option A. It will be correct one. Option A is correct. Now we will go with the option 2. See, second option what is saying, when a constant current of 2 ampere is connected across A and B in both circuits, P1 is greater than P2. In the first option, he is saying that voltage is applied. Now here it is current is applied. How much current is saying? 2 amperes. And again he is going to check P1, P2. We know P1 and P2 are the powers when switch is in open condition. Again, if it is in open condition, we already calculated resistance, right? But I erase, but still again we will calculate. And in circuit 1, again these two are in series. It is in open condition. These two are in series. It is 5. With respect to this one, 1 by 2 is parallel. So 1 by R can be written as 1 by 2. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So it can be written as 1 plus 10 by 5, 11 by 5. So R is equal to 5 by 11. R is equal to 5 by 11. With this one is connected in series. So we will write R total can be written as 5 by 11 plus 1 ohm. So 11 plus 5, 16 by 11 ohms. 16 by 11 ohms. The total resistance is how much? 16 by 11. With this one, circuit 1, how it is modified? 16 by 11. And now current is given. How much current is given? 2 amperes of current. 2 amperes of current is flowing. 2 amperes of current is flowing. When current is flowing, then what will be the formula for power? Power P is equal to I square R. So I will write P1 is equal to I square R. P1 is equal to I square R. So here is given that I is 2, so it is 2 square into R is how much? 16 by 11. So here 4 into 16 by 11 is P1. And here SI unit is watt. No need to discuss about the units here, but because he is asking only the comparison. That's why we got P1 is equal to 4 into 16 by 11. And I will write here. In the similar manner, I will calculate for the circuit 2 also. Now see, in circuit 1 how much power you got? 4 into 16 by 11. Now we will solve for circuit 2. In the circuit 2, S2 is open. When S2 is open, this current will not flow through 6 ohm. So these three we have to consider in parallel. In parallel, we know already in parallel for circuit 2, 1 by R can be written as 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Last time already we did. LCM is 6. LCM is 6. 6 plus 3 plus 2. So here it is 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 11. 11 by 6. 11 by 6. So R total can be written as 6 by 11 ohms. 6 by 11 ohms. Then the circuit 2 is modified as, circuit 2 can be modified as, see this one will be there, it is 6 by 11 ohms, and when current is 2 ampere is flowing. How much current is flowing? 2 amperes of current. Then we know how to calculate power. Power can be written as, power is equal to I square into R. So again here the same current is there, so directly I will write 2 square into 4. So 4 into 6 by 11. So in P1 I got 4 into 16 by 11, and P2 we got 4 into 6 by 11. From that you can easily conclude, right? First I will write here and after that we will discuss. See here, when 2 amperes of current is flowing, and in circuit 1 how much power we got? 4 into 16 by 11, and in circuit 2 4 into 6 by 11. So clearly you can understand. Here P1 is greater than P2. So hence we can write P1 is greater than P2. So option B is also correct. So I will write B is correct one. B is also correct. Similarly, we will see for C and D also. Why? Because advanced questions we have to check line by line. We should not leave a single option. Clear? Now we will see option C. Now we will see the third option. Just see the third option. When voltage of 6 volt is connected across A and B in circuit 1, that means this one only in circuit 1, Q1 is greater than P1. Q1 is greater than P1. What is Q1? Q1 is the power dissipated when S1 is closed condition, and P2 is in open condition. In open condition, under 6 volt we already calculated P1. So how much P1 we got? We got P1 is equal to 36 into 16 by 11 we got. Now we are going to calculate Q1. Q1 is under S1 is in closed conditions. So when S1 is closed, try to understand. So when S1 is closed here, this one is high resistance path, and this is a conductor, low resistance path. So current will not go through 1 ohm. Current will not go through 1 ohm. So current directly will go through this one. When current is flowing this one, just you can open here. There is no use of 1 ohm. There is no use of 1 ohm resistance. Current will directly go this one. So this one is complete cycle. So in this one, 2, 3 and 1 by 2 will add. So these two in series, and this one it is in parallel. So we will find out the resistance. So these two in series, which means 5 and 1 by 2 is in parallel. So resistance 1 by R can be written as 1 by 5 plus 2 by 1. So 11 by 5. I will write R total can be written as this 5 by 11. So 5 by 11 is the resistance when S1 is closed. So again, how much potential is applied? 6 volt potential is applied. So if you consider circuit 1, the resistance is 5 by 11 and potential is how much it is? 6 volt is applied. So now he is asking power. So the power will be Q1. So Q1 is equal to V square by R. What is Q1? V square by R. So you will write here V square means 36 by R is 5 by 11, which is equal to 11. So Q1 is 36 into 11 by 5. And P1 we got. P1 is equal to 36 into 16 by 11. Then absolutely we know, we can understand, right? Q1 is greater, Q2 is greater. So now I will write here. And now see here, P1 is 36 by 11 and Q1 is 36 into 11 by 5. Now we can understand which one is greater, right? Then we can write, hence you will write Q1 is greater than P1. So option C is also correct one. So I will write C is also correct. Clear? And I will write, just you can note down the points P1, Q1, you can note down side. So it will be helpful in the next sessions also. Now we will see the last case. We will see. Now see the last option what is given is when a constant current of 2 amperes, when a constant current of 2 amperes is connected across C and B in both circuits, then Q2 is less than Q1. That means constant current is asking about Qs. What is the meaning of Q? Both S1 and S2 here we have to close and we have to apply 2 ampere of current and you have to find out the powers. Then we will see how to solve. So I will write first in circuit 1. In circuit 1 already Q1 is solved, right? Sorry, 6 volt solved, but it is 2 amperes. Again we have to solve. Circuit Q1 closed condition. Q1 means the power across the circuit when switch is closed. So I close the condition. This will not work. If this will not work, these three resistors in the circuit will be there. So in these I will write again. So these two are in series 5 and it is in parallel. So again I will write 1 by R is equal to. My intention is everybody has to understand. That's why I am writing twice and thrice so that everybody should understand easily. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 by 1. So you can write 11 by 5. So R is equal to 5 by 11. R is equal to 5 by 11. And if I modify the circuit, it will be this one 5 by 11. And how much current is flowing? Current is 2 amperes is flowing. Current is 2 amperes. When 2 amperes of current is flowing, we can write power is asking. Power I will write Q1. Q1 is equal to I square into R. I square into R. We have to understand when a potential is given, then power is V square by R. When current is given, power is I square into R. Power is I square into R. So here you will see Q1 can be written as I square into R. So Q1 I will write I square is nothing but 4. R is nothing but 5 by 11. Directly I will write 20 by 11. What you can write, but again I told we are only comparing. No need to write these things, right? So I will write Q1 is equal to 20 by 11. I will write here. And we will go for the second circuit. Now we will see the second circuit. In the second circuit, again is asking Q2 and Q2 is when S2 is in closed condition. When S2 is in closed condition. When S2 is in closed condition, these 4 resistors are connected in parallel. These 4 resistors are connected in parallel. Now we will calculate. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So now we have to do LCM. If you do LCM, you will get 1 by R is equal to 6 LCM. Then we will get here 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 1 by R can be written as 6 to 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 by 6. So it will be 2 and R is equal to 1 by 2. R is equal to 1 by 2. Now again circuit is modified as second circuit. Circuit 2 is modified as resistance 1 by 2 and current is how much it is 2 ampere. So power can be calculated as Q2 can be written as Q2 is equal to I square into R. I square is nothing but 4 into R is 1 by 2. It is 2 ampere. 2 ampere. And now see here Q2 is 2 ampere and Q1 is 20 by 11 ampere. So which one is greater? See here in circuit 1 Q1 is 20 by 11 we got power and circuit 2 we got 2. So clearly we know that here we know that Q2 is greater than Q1. Q2 is greater than Q1. But in the option D, what is given? Q2 is less than Q1, which is wrong. So option C is wrong. Option D is wrong. So for this question, both A, B, and C are the correct one. Correct options. A, B, and C are correct options. And while solving, we have to be careful. Time-taking question, but still line by line we have to check. Here, even though we are thinking advanced questions, right? But it is in 2022. In this advanced question also, what he mentioned is just simply asking the powers only. Powers only. When circuit is open and circuit is in closed condition, he is asking powers. I hope you understood. Thank you.